We have to assemble. Drop side truck. Amazing! Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. Press the pump. Done! Finish the bottom of the pool. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Keep it up. Hooray! We have to assemble. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. Pump. Hooray! Build a formwork for the walls. Let's wash. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. First, we need to assemble. Concrete pump. Don't stop. Now we need to fill it. Concrete pump. Pump. You're doing really great. Fill the pool walls. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Keep up the good work. You're doing really great. First, we need to assemble. Drop side truck. Ready. Filling. Drop side truck. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. Lay the tiles. We need to wash. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. First, we need to assemble. Crane truck. Hooray! Filling. Crane truck. Press the pump. Keep it up. Make the arbor frame. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discolorations. We did it!